Hey there, savvy shoppers. Have you ever finished a purchase and then kicked yourself for not using Rakuten to snag some cashback? Don't worry. I'm here to show you how to add the Rakuten extension to your browser even after you've already bought something. This quick guide will help you set it up for future savings, because who doesn't love getting money back on their shopping? Let's dive right in. First things first, what is Rakuten? It's a fantastic tool that gives you cashback and coupons from thousands of online stores. Normally, you add the extension before shopping, but we'll cover what to do if you've already made a purchase. Keep in mind, though, that Rakuten typically can't apply cashback retroactively, so this is more about gearing up for your next buy. To get started, make sure you're on a computer with a supported browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I'll use Chrome for this example since it's the most popular. Open your browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chrome://extensions in the address bar or searching for it online. Once you're in the web store, use the search bar at the top and type in Rakuten. Look for the official Rakuten extension. It's usually the one with the most downloads and a shopping bag icon. Click on it, and then hit the Add to Chrome button. You'll see a pop-up asking for permission. Go ahead and click Add Extension. It should install quickly. Now that it's added, you'll need to pin it to your toolbar for easy access. Right-click the extension icon in your browser's toolbar and select Pin. Next, click on the Rakuten icon to open it up. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Sign in with your details, and you're all set. From here, Rakuten will automatically check for cashback opportunities whenever you shop online. For example, if you're heading to Amazon or Walmart, it might pop up with a notification saying, "Activate cashback here." Just click to activate, and you'll earn rewards on eligible purchases going forward. One quick tip. Always check the Rakuten app or website to see if there are any special deals or higher cashback rates. And remember, while you can't get cashback for that purchase you just made, you'll be ready for the next one. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy shopping!